Look at her.
And then yes, 2013
Mhm.
siyathi ukuthi siphile eSouth Africa ipandemic lenye lesinayo i-gender based violence.
Yes.
Ngindlulile ku-gender based violence and by the support lengayithola ku-Positive Women's Network libandla lelo ngikhonza kulo angifuni ukukhuluma manga even my family ngikhonile ukuthi ngibe strong and
Yeah.
angizange ngayivumela leyo gender based violence
Yeah.
ukuthi ingende ukuthi ngasatibona ukuthi nginevalue emhlabeni
Yes.
mina ngithathe that gender based violence yangenda ukuthi ngibe nepurpose
Yeah.
yokuthi ngisukume ngibe the voice of the voiceless.
Wow, this is beautiful. Uyabona sisi njengoba achaza ukuthi uphila nayo i-HIV and AIDS and but akazange wathi this is the end of the world for yena and also he's been a victim of gender-based violence but nalapho still wathi this is not the end of me.
Okay, nginominate kuma ISAPA, there's an organization but ISAPA, it's based in Durban. So ithe uma ihleli yathi icabanga ukuthi this year yende something for women who've been through a lot.
Through a lot, yes. Yes.
So bathi bona batwenda ma awards for women and positive women's and girls. Then ba approach ama organization njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngibuya ku Positive Women's Network under the
Don't come back, guys. Yeah, it's here. It's all here.
under the leadership of Usesthandi Baluka, which is she is the member of Lowveld Workers also.
Oh wow.
Yes. So nganomine uma approacha bona labafati because isapha nayo organization le leadwa mfati.
Okay.
Wa approacha labafati wabatshela ukuthi I want to do something for bafati.
Yeah.
Then Positive Women's Network bahlangene baphathi bethu uMsindisi Shange naye uSesithandi bakhuluma then ukuthi amongst us kulama province lasinawo ngibani lo bangamkhetha.
Okay.
Then bahlala phansi bathi no, the best person lo I deserve ko le award ngikholethe. Yes.
Sanibonani babukeli bami emakhaya. This is Lowveld Workers podcast and of course this is your girl Rebecca Mdluli podcasting live at Hillsview. Ake namhla nginlandzela siswethu hayi wase Hillsview wasematsulu sesikoleth wakasithole. Now I'm talking about Imbokodo. Let me tell you, afuna uyimisa le podcast. Mina right now ngithi kuwe lanza amanti, lanza namneti, coffee, whatever leto kwenda comfortable ukuthi uhlale phansi ulalele le podcast esitanayo because what? Sikufundzisa tindo khona la. You get to know ukuthi le Mbokodo lengikhuluma ngayo lalela iphethe ini idume ngani hlala lapho wena uthini mina ngibiyela naseswami lomuhle.
This one's for the woman who carries what nobody sees and still rises. Pressure on me, never breaking. Every loss I'm still creating. Life gets heavy, I don't fold. Turn my pain into my gold. Carry life inside my body. Still I show up for everybody. Even when I feel the weight, I stand tall, I elevate. No applause, I still deliver. Mind is sharp, my soul is bigger. Every road.
Ayike babukeli bami emakhaya njengoba sengimtshelile ukuthi ngilanza sesikoleth. Ngimlanzile ke nangamncisha newalk yakhe ke namuhla sidlali la kaMashaba sibhizi kakhulu ngepodcast masikufuna siyakufuna. Unjani sesiwami?
Ngiyaphila njani sesi?
Siyaphila.
Yebo.
Sesikoleth ngicela ungitshelele babukeli bethu ukuthi ngibani sesikoleth ubuya kuphi before nje singena ku business.
Sesikoleth ngikholethe wakasithole originally ngibuya eBush but nyalo ngihlala eMatsulu.
Okay. So sesikoleth bavulavula.
Navulavula.
Hayi ngwino ngiyamhla idayiba isichangane. Ngiyalathi thanda tami ngiyanathi nenwathi onke ma language so sifaka lapho nalapho. But ngesithandwa sami tell me sesikoleth ubuye eBush ngiyalo uhlala eMatsulu right. I-Lowveld Workers seswami uve kuphi ngayo wafika nini futhi ka Lowveld Workers?
I-Lowveld Workers ngifike last year Actually ngijoyine ngathi leli viki leli beniseZimbabwe.
Oh, okay.
Then uma nibuya eZimbabwe the first week nanibuya kune braai le eprison.
Yes.
Bengilapho, that was my first week.
Wow.
So ilo-field workers bengihlala uma ngiseteksini ubone nje nangiseteksini ekseni ngiyababona labantu ngingade ukuthi ngidawubabona kuphi. Then one day ngabona status sabhuti wami but ileki.
Okay.
Then ngam-approach ngathi yo bhuti labantu laba ngiyabafuna la bathi hayi ungahlupheki bakhona eMatsulu.
Yeah.
Wabaniketa inamba yami ngabona sengifakwe nasegroup. Ngabona sengifakwe nasegroupini.
Yeah. Kwavele kwashesha like that.
Kwavele kwashesha like that ngabajoyina ngafika vele ngajabulela lento le.
Yeah, yeah. Sesifami ngitshele uma ubona ilo-field workers ihamba lapha emgwaqweni and decide ukuthi ufuna kuyijoina le team, is it because mhlambe usidudla noma for health reasons? What was the reason yokuthi uze ujoine ilo-field workers? And since uyijoine last year ngisho ukuthi sonesikhathi ke manje uyayibona lento loyijoinele ilo-field workers yendeka?
Into lengiyijoyinele kulo-field workers ngiyayibona iyendeka and uma ngiyijoyina bengingasisidudla just bengifuna ukuthi ngibe healthy.
Alright.
Ngibe healthy because uma siyasikhula angithi intimba yethu sometimes uthola ukuthi uyaqina mtimba angithi siyavuka uyadla uyahlala uyavuka uyadla uyahlala but since ngijoyinile ilo-field workers bengifuna kuba healthy ngibe fit nje kahle and kuyendeka lokho
uyayithola lento.
yebo
And mahala free ne?
mahala free and you know uma ute ku-walk it's therapeutic.
Yeah.
It's therapeutic mina each and every time uma ngite ku-walk it's therapeutic. Uyabona uma ubuyele emuva ntsamba mana ulala kamnanzi.
No ngikuva kahle sithanda sami and ngingifakazi waloko. Yabona ke ku-walk mangabe sowujwayele futhi wahlala wangayi kuba ngazi ukuthi kunalendo leshodako it becomes a part of your life. So uma ngabe ungabanga kuyo ngaleyo Saturday because now it became a norm ukuthi every Saturday siyavuka ekseni siyocala ku-walk and uma ungakayi so babona laphayana bawalka kuba buhlungu
kakhulu kakhulu.
So ngiyakuva ke sithanda sami. So Quineth ubusy ngani in life? Ubusy ngani lo busy ngako outside of lo-field workers?
Okay, so Scolette ulimember le Positive Women's Network. I-Positive Women's Network inhlangano yebafati.
Okay.
Laba HIV positive. So sibuke bafati namantombazana but it doesn't mean ukuthi uma sithola umuntu lokungubabe or lokungumfana adzinga lisito asimsiti.
Yeah.
Siyamsita seScolette HIV positive since the year 2000.
Okay.
Ngaqala i-treatment yami 2008 and until today ngisayinatha i-treatment yami.
Look at her. Look at her.
And then yes 2013 siyathi ukuthi siphile South Africa ipandemic lenye lesinayo i-gender based violence. Ngindlulile ku-gender based violence and by the support lengayithola ku-Positive Women's Network libandla lelo ngikhonza kulo angifuni ukukhuluma manga even my family ngikhonile ukuthi ngibe strong and angizange ngayivumela leyo gender based violence ukuthi ingende ukuthi ngasatibona ukuthi nginevalue emhlabeni. Mina ngithathe that gender based violence yangenda ukuthi ngibe nepurpose ukuthi ngisukume ngibe the voice of the voiceless.
Wow, this is beautiful. Uyabona sisi njengoba achaza ukuthi uphila nayo i-HIV and AIDS and but akazange wathi this is the end of the world for yena and also he's been a victim of gender based violence but nalapho still wathi this is not the end of me. What must I do about this? Wasukuma wathi uzolwa njengembokodo lakanyiyo, you know. And I'm believing ukuthi bantu bafunza lokuningi kuye labafuna. I mean look at her, she's beautiful, she's pretty, you know. Kusho kona ukuthi uma ngabe you take this the positive way bese wende lekufanele ukwende hayi man impilo yiningi uphila kamnanzi. We understand. This is why I love lo-field workers. Sinako konke people, when I say to you lo-field workers we have everything. I believe namhlanje don't understand that with siyafunza kuningi. We understand. So Sandra Sam, I know game you've been nominated. Sisiyabuya lo-field workers. Siyabuya sisakhuluma ngasese ngifuna nje sindlule kahle kuye. You've been nominated. Ngicela uyichaze angifuni kuyikhuluma wrong but awubamba lo wrong wami. Yichaze sandwa sami ukuthi you've been nominated and you are nominated for what? Sikhe nje bese sichaze nalama votes ukuthi sivota kanjani.
Okay, nginominate kuma ISAPA. There's an organization but ISAPA, it's based in Durban. So ithe uma ihleli yathi icabanga ukuthi this year yende something for women who've been through a lot. Yes. So bathi bona batwenda ma awards for women and positive women's and girls. Then ba approach ama organization njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngibuya ku Positive Women's Network under the
don't come back guys. Sito isonze it's here. It's all here.
Under the leadership of Usesithandi Baloka, which she is the member of Lowveld Workers also.
Oh wow.
Yes. So nganomine uma approach bona labafati because isapha nayo organization le leadwa mfati.
Okay.
Wa approach labafati wabatshela ukuthi I want to do something for bafati.
Yeah.
Then Positive Women's Network bahlangene baphathi bethu uMsindisiwe Shange naye Usesithandi bakhuluma then ukuthi amongst us kulama province lasinawo ngubani lo bangamkhetha.
Okay.
Then bahlala phansi bathi no, the best person lo I deserve ko le award Colette. Yes, and I deserve it because I'm their favorite of what. Ni deserve it because they know what I'm doing in the community. Yes, in the community siyafundzisa bantwana etikolweni ngiyaya ngiyobafundzisa emasontweni ngiyaya ngofundisa. I can say everywhere uma umuntu angidinga
you avail yourself.
I avail myself uma kudinga indzawo ledzinga transport njengoba nyalo sonke siyathi ukuthi ma NGO awana mali ngiyacela ukuthi no ningangitransporta kuphela I'll be there. So nginominatiwe kulama awards. Nginominatwe under category ye HIV and AIDS ne category gender based violence.
All right.
Yes.
All right. That great stuff. I mean, so njengoba unominate under category ye HIV and AIDS ne gender based. Lama votes wethu funa sivote ka-2 or livote li-1 lingena kuwo on-2.
Le vote leli 1 lingena kuwo A2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you recall ukuthi konje sivota kanjani mhlambe sichazele babukele emakhaya?
Kune account number ikuposta labaningi bayibonile. So yase FNB u deposita any amount of your choice starting from 10 rand.
Okay.
Then lapha ku reference you just write COL 16.
COL 16.
Yes, alright, you write COL 16. Then ngokwenda njalo utobe uvotele mina.
Nakia.
Yes.
And mina I believe ukuthi sima Lowveld Workers asivani nekufela.
Kahle.
And right now I'm not calling upon Lowveld Workers I'm calling upon wonke umuntu lo obukela le podcast yathi ngiyanibita nonke ukuthi asivoteleni sis Colette.
Actually kufuna siyilandzele eDurban ibuye la eMpumalanga.
Uthini kimi manje siyilandzele ekhaya?
Siyilandze eDurban ibuye la eMpumalanga la.
Lalelani. This is no longer about Lowveld Workers kuphela. Kusho ukuthi usimele la eMpumalanga. Listen, Sis Queeneth umele eMpumalanga. Mina I understand le nto ethandwa nami. Umele eMpumalanga ento wafaka ekugcineni the poster yethu so that you guys will see ukuthi sivota kanjani. Sesiwethu akasamelanga Lowveld Workers yedwana akamelanga yena yedwa nehlaphi yabo ngala umele iMpumalanga. Kufune silwe siyiMpumalanga siyilandzele eDurban ibuye sicathatha la
eMpumalanga
Naiva ke ngoko ngitonifakela guyzini simvotele sesweating that she's doing an amazing job and she's not even doing it for imali uyenda out of yebo babe kunjalo ke ku podcast yethu. Our members Mamandlula giving us some love, so yeah. But ke kubengithini mara Nkosi yami Jesu mara budi
besakhuluma ukuthi le award angiyendi and nalomsebenzi lo ngiwendako angiwendi ngokubhenefita something.
Yes,
Although
yes.
singanamali but sisawenda msebenzi because the community knows us.
Yes.
Ukuthi siyayenda lento.
Yes. And now that you know ukuthi if you didn't know kuna sis Queneth who lowenda le misebenzi lefana naleyo, if khona mhlambe ne event and then niyamdinga and anathi nimthole njani, feel free to contact Lowfield Workers. Thina sizonisa direct kuye sis Queneth nelicembu lakhe mhlambe nawe ufuna ukujoina awumtholi buya kithi Lowfield Workers thina sikuxhumanisa naye and nawe utojoina utophila soft life. Umule ku stress.
Yeah, aw.
Asifuni
Yini
ngathi
stress?
For what?
Yini lokho?
For ini.
Yini?
Nama
ngeke.
ngwathi lento leyo. Kuchamkapi?
Yini leyo?
Guys, siyachinja manje, siyachinja. It's 2026, siyachinja. Hayi ke sesicedzile ke ngase sesikhavile konke le bantu bafuna bakwati ke ngawe. Sanda sami, let's go back to the business of the day, Lowfield Workers. Njengoba usho ukuthi join masisabuya eZimbabwe, sanda sami, how are you finding Lowfield Workers from that time? I believe it was July, August, somewhere there. Ujoine lapho. Uyifinda injani Lowfield Workers for you?
Yo, Lowfield Workers ne? I don't know. Ngihlala ngithi uyabona babe mashabo mathi umndeni wami.
Yeah.
I do understand.
Yes.
Ukuthi sumndeni la ka Lowfield Workers. Sumndeni and lothanza nako, you know, it doesn't matter ukuthi ufike namuhla or ufike nini, but you'll feel at home
Yeah.
uma ufika la ku Lowfield Workers.
Yes.
Sumndeni sonke ene ngalendlela satana ngayo angathi ukuthi that connection ingena njani ngalendlela satana ngayo, even if umuntu umbone kayi1
Yeah.
but uma uyohlangana naye edrobheni you'll know ukuthi team member
Wakithi ke lo.
team member.
Kuva kahle sithandwa sami. So sesikholi kuma walks lesinawo like you know we have gender based violence, HIV and AIDS. I'm even laughing. But yeah, color walk, kuning cultural walk. Ngiyiphi ke wena iwalk lothi this one is very close to my heart, ngiyayithanda kakhulu. Uyabona bamashaba uma ngabe kungaphela iminyaka kayifakile ngengifile kahle, but le wayenda ngabaleka nasemsebenzini. Ngiyiphi le walk le connecta nawe?
Yabona iwalk lesiyende sisemkhathini le gender based violence. That one is close to my heart. Okay. Because as I've said ukuthi mina ngidlulile ku gender based violence, ngabe kuya ngani, ngabe kude lo munye umuntu lotodlula to that situation. Because ngikhuluma ngento lengiyathi. So each and every year siyasho ukuthi senda ku 16 days of activism. Ngokuya ngami ngathi singenda 365 days of activism because lo 16 days lo ngathi it's not enough and uma ungabuka kahle, I don't know or kubonwa ngimi ngoba nginaka kakhulu ngalawo malanga lawo la sithi 16 days of activism kwendeka kakhulu. So angathi yabona uma president athi this is pandemic, ngiyo ipandemic vele lesinayo eSouth Africa ene ngeke kusuke umuntu wakuleninye live atolwa nayo kungakasuka imithine la silwe nayo.
No, nguva kahle sithando sami njengoba nimuva sesekuthi ngiyo le esayenda iGBV walk iclose kakhulu kuyi and ngabe kuya ngaye ngabe nje every day ngabe nje sibhizi silwa nayo because kukubi la ngaphandle kubi kakhulu akujabulisi nabantwana bethu bayalahleka sathi balahleka kwento enjani bayabulawa. It's a lot and it's not only about women kuphela, even men bayahlukunyezwa. Men are being kidnapped bendiwe into leti kabi. I don't know but ngingasho nje ngithi hlangana man Africa sizame kulwa nayo lento. I think masibambisene sisonke we'll come with something the right solution itovela. So osithando sami la ethimini sinama desk lahlukahlukene, sina wholesomeness, sine spiritual, sine youth desk, bobhuti lapho nabo sisi laba sigatsako la emgwaqweni. Ngiliphi desk lolithandzako kakhulu namanje uthandza wonke?
Ngiwathandza wonke but ngithanda ukuthi pick up kulele safety. Shem bahlala benda show ukuthi uma sisemgwaqeni we are safe. But wonke ama desk ngiwabona abalekile wonke. Yes.
Hayi ke safety sithi big up to you. Nenda umsebenzi lo muhle ngalokukhethekile ke sesikhole uchoose nina neda akafuni ukusho. So Dali, in terms of giving, like uyathi ke i-local workers ngenkonzo yekupha uma ngabe mhlambe ke kunetimvula damusha emakhaya, and also sinelikhaya lisathatha lona libantwana Michael's children la sithi khona mhlambe kanye or twice eminyakeni siyabahambisela lokuthide. Wena now noma sivelelwe sifo la ekhaya, we go all out. How do you feel about that? Do you feel i-local workers sitelekto worker la sinasikhathi sihamba siphana nebantu, do you feel i-local workers is doing an amazing job?
Mina I feel ukuthi senda umsebenzi lo kahle kakhulu, si practice ubuntu.
Yeah.
Because sibantu siyadzingana emhlabeni and angeke ngibe nako konke. Uma ngitovelelwa inkinga njengoba sisho ukuthi siya contributor, noma kuthiwa imali nginayo ngeke khona ukucovera everything. Yes. And even if nginayo leyo mali leyo, but uma bachamuka nayo shembathi le ubuya kubangani bakho belo field workers, ngiyasho nami ngithi uyabona I belong somewhere.
Yes. Ifika nje inalokunye.
Ifika nje uyabona nje yende lokunye nayo.
Kuva kahle sana sami, kuva kahle. No Dali, ngiyakuva ke konke lesokhuluma ngakho. You know, so far seswami is happy ngelocal workers. Lo akayindzawo la.
Angindzawo. La ngibuyile la.
Yeah, no, akayindzawo, I can tell. So Dali, tell me, I know ukuthi ufike kulo field workers sesibuyile right eZimbabwe. I'm not sure ukuthi you've been following us, but the main purpose yethu yokuhamba kulama long walks ukuthi sizama ku-unite the African countries. The question that I will ask to you is, do you think there's a need of us ukuthi siphume lana sishiye ama comfortable spaces wethu solala le mahlathini lena siwalkela ukuthi sizame ku-unite the African countries, because you know ukuthi sometimes asiphathani kahle sila South Africa. Wena waseZimbabwe hambe khaya nan. How do you feel? What's your take on that?
Mina I think ukuthi kukahle kakhulu futhi, because at the end of the day all of us we are Africans. So kukahle ukuthi si unite. Ngiyakujabulela nje ngibuvile ebuhlungu shema uma baba mashaba announce ukuthi asiye Lesotho. I was looking forward ngize ngitshela sesithandi ngithi yo sesithandi, you know ish noma bathi ama project ayeda letofika ngoJune into ngikhuba kakhulu emoyeni, into ngiphula moya because ngithi prepareile.
Already
Beng ready.
Baba mashaba wathi cut. Mara Nkosi yami akusi fault yakhe, you know, niyathi ukuthi sometimes siyaplana but uNkulunkulu nguye udecide. So siplanile, uNkulunkulu wa decide, ngeke ke saphikisana naye. Mara Baba mashaba
Hope next year.
Yes.
Next year siyahamba and I'll be ready.
Siyelisuthu because sinetingubo letokuthi bese sizama ukuthi sibuka ukuthi sidithenga kuphi, you know, ukuthi Lesotho yabanza.
Yes. Bese sibukile vele ufuna sithole tingubo nalemgcobo sigcole tatabo yabona.
So that will belong. No, ngiyakuva sithanda sami. I'm so happy ke ukuthi when you are happy with local workers ngeva nje masikhuluma ngakho konke cishe u happy now. Sesami, tell me ngeli ngamabomu nje ngelitafula lebantwana, how do you feel ngado our library?
They are doing an amazing job, you know. Even if unemntwana endlini, you know ukuthi uma ngihambe nemntwana nami kuma lo field workers noma ngisukile mina ngidlulile umntwana wami uyosala a safe and ababi safe lokuthi bayadlala kuphela, bayafunza lapha, bayafunza lapha, asibashiyi badlala ngama toys kuphela,
bayafunza. No, yathi kuthini mina ngicabanga ukuthi le ndzaba yethu siyibeke la. Yeah, seswami songikhavele cisha konke mawuthi wena sesikhona phela awumati namuhla awutokudlala ngami.
Ngicela ningibuke kahle.
Ngicela nje like you know ufaka netibuko ne it's easy ukuthi umbone. But nonetheless, we would like to thank each and everyone lo saka votile and sibonge nalo sato vota and sithuthutele nalo sato vota ukuthi
asivoteni ibuye la eMpumalanga.
Seyilanza le Durban siyifuna lana. We want sifuna seswethu simhlangabethe airport ukuthi I don't know but sifuna ukuhlangabethe uphethe into yakho. So guys, let's not forget kumvotela seswethu sithini masivota
COL 16.
COL16 awunayo ke excuse yokungavoti mavoti aqala ku 10 rand awunayo and if ufila ukuthi wena uvila lapha kuchofoza sifonele usifakele le mali thina sitokuchofoza on your behalf do not worry don't stress we've got you know. But ke kimina sis Colette siyibeka khona lapho sima Lawford Workers la Tanzania ko sithi ke #don't promise commit. Mpumalanga's finest walking team. This is Lawford Walkers podcast, and of course, this is your host Rebecca Mdlele signing out. But I will be seeing you soon this coming Saturday at the Groove Mbombela. It is Men's Health Awareness Walk. Now, Bobabe, Pumani Ndonge Ngetingani, because this is about you, Lenvo Ingani. Wonge mundu lokona akapume ngetingani siyo dibana kona lapha the group kuze stofunza sana phela ukuthi mele wendiwe njani kuze sikhiphe bobaba wethu by healthy. Now remember, the theme is black and white with a touch of blue. Don't forget, black and white with a touch of blue. Now 6 o'clock the aerobics is starting, and right after that the walk is officially starting. Now, Lawford Workers, we are one of the lucky ones because we have our beautiful sister Colette Sithole, who has been nominated a Positive Women and Girls Awards. Now, sisiwethu wendilo konke lekumele akwende kuze abe la akhona khona sekusele ngami nawe. By me saying ngami nawe, angisho Lawford Worker phela kodwa ngisho wonke umuntu lohlala la eMpumalanga, because sisiwethu yobe aqutselana nalamanye ma provinces. So let us make her proud. Sishine nempumalanga yethu kuze simjabulise naye siwine le ndondo sendela mina nawe kanye naye siphakamisa ini iprovince yethu eMpumalanga. Now simvotela lapha yana ku FNB ama details akhona khona la. The important thing is the reference. Do not forget uma uvota lapha yana faka COL16. Reference is COL16. Asendeni lokuhle sishine sikhombisa ukuthi thina Lenvo siyakwati kuyenda. Sesiwethu Colette uyidlalile inzima yakhe esekusele ngathi. Let us vote for our beautiful sister. Asibonane this Saturday. Bye.